Hey, good morning, afternoon, good evening, whatever time of day that this video is finding you. Welcome back to another school year at Lee Summit West, 2021 school year. Congratulations first off on your decision as a parent to choose to have your child educated online only for the whole semester of the school year. My name is Mark Lutman. I will have your son and daughter in my Biology 2 class online. So this is going to look a lot different than a normal school day because it's online. It's asynchronous, which means that majority of the time they will not have a live video or they will not have live contact unless we're doing a very big project or something obviously needs to explain to the whole class. So majority of the time your son or daughter is going to get their information when they feel that they need to get to it. It could be in the morning, it could be in the afternoon, it could be in the evening. So whatever works time frame for your son or daughter, that's going to work. So everything that we're going to be doing or pushing out for Biology 2 is going to be mainly in an asynchronous, which means on their time type platform. So Biology 2 is going to still be the same Biology 2. It's still going to be the same information as if they were in class. However, they're just going to get it at home. So one of the big things that you as a parent needs to do to help your son or daughter obviously is just to continue to be you, continue to support them, as there will be some struggles because this is all new. This is all new to us. I wish we were in a much different place, but right now that is not the case. But again, congratulations on choosing or having you and your son or daughter choose to do the online option. So the big thing for you as a parent is just to continue to support them. Please make sure that they are staying up on their assignments. They are checking in daily as we will push out new assignments and have new due dates for that. So just because they're online does not mean that they get extended time to do the projects. They have the specific due dates. They need to meet those specific due dates, and if they are not turned in on time or time stamped to where I can see they're on time, again, that's just like being in a normal school day. It will be counted as late. So this is going to be a short type video. If you have any further questions about online or how something is to be conveyed to your son or daughter, please make sure you check out the online Biology 2 course syllabus, which is going to be attached in Schoology, and it's also going to be attached on the main school website where all the syllabi for each of your son or daughter's classes are located. So again, welcome to Biology 2 Online. It's going to be a great semester. Many of you have had me as a teacher in Chemistry 1, so I was glad to see a lot of the students I've already had. So that connection is already there, and hopefully a comfort level as far as anxiety is concerned is also kind of eased. But we're going to get through this together, so welcome to another school year. I can't wait to talk to you if you need any help or your son or daughter as we navigate our way through this online course of Biology 2. Again, have a great day. Take care of yourself and each other.